Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna talk about application of differentiation. Before that, I want to introduce our group member. First, my name is Muhammad Hadif bin Muhammad Roslan and my matric number is 24DTP21F1064.
And my name is Muhammad Danish bin Zanabidin and my matrix number is 24DTP21F1057.
And my name Farid Azim bin Amaran. My matric number is 24DTP21F1060.
And my name is Muhammad Hazib Muklis bin Abdul Aziz. My matrix number 24DTP21F0158. First is definition of differentiation. In calculus, differentiation is one of the two important concepts of part of integration. Differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function. Second, differentiation is a process in math where we find the instantaneous rate of change in function based on one of its variables. Third, if x is a variable and y is another variable, then the rate of change of x with respect to y is given by dx dy over dx. This is the general expression of derivative of a function and its representance of f prime x equal dy over dx, where y equal x is any function. Application of differentiation. First, we use the derivative to determine the maximum and minimum value of particular function. Example, cost, strength, amount of material used in a building. Profit, loss. Derivative are made in many engineering and science problems, especially when modeling the behavior of moving object. Second, in engineering, differentiation allows us to discover and apply the piston used in all areas.
Okay, this is the example of differentiation in real life. First, calculate of the heat transfer. Second, to find the range magnitude. And third, calculate the profit or loss in business using graph. Next, partial differentiation. A differential equation containing partial derivative of the dependent variable, one or more, with more than one independent variable. First order partial differentiation, partial z over partial x, partial z over partial y. Second order partial, partial square z over partial x square, and so on.
Okay, now we're gonna use the partial differentiation in an example question. The example question is find partial square z over partial y and partial x, and partial square z over partial x and partial y for z equal to cos in bracket 9x minus 12y. Firstly, we need to do the first order, which is partial z over partial x equal to negative sign in bracket 9x minus 12y and dot 9. After that, we multiply 9 with sign equals to negative 9 sign equal in bracket 9x minus 12y. And after that, we do the second order, which is partial square z over partial y partial x, which is equal to negative 9 cos in bracket 9x minus 12y and dot in bracket negative 12. After that, we multiply negative 12 with negative 9, which is equal to 108 cos in bracket 9x minus 12y. And after that, we do for the respect to y, which is partial z over partial y equals to negative sign in bracket 9x minus 12y dot in bracket negative 12, which equals to 12 sign in bracket 9x minus 12y. And after that, we do the second order, which is partial square z over partial x partial y equal to 12 cos in bracket 9x minus 12y dot 9. And we multiply 9 by 12, which is equal to 108 cos in bracket 9x minus 12y. And we have the same result for second order for both y, for both partial y and partial x and partial y.
Lastly, the conclusion is differentiation are constantly used in everyday life to help measure how much something is changing. They are used by the government in population censuses, various types of science, and even in economics. Second, knowing how to use differentiation, when to use them, and how to apply them in everyday life can be a crucial part of any profession. So, learning early is always a good thing. That's it from our group. Thank you.